What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to look at this VTech lawnmower toy. It's not only fun but it is educational.
Did you ever see a mower? Did you ever?
The songs introduce kids to basic gardening concepts, colors, and safety tips in an engaging way, fostering early understanding of caution and responsibility. So this toy promotes creativity, motor skills, and cognitive development while providing hours of enjoyment. Now, along with the VTech lawnmower, you may want to consider getting this cool dinosaur. It's an educational toy by VTech. It comes with music, quizzes, and lots of ideas. Stay tuned for the whole video. Okay, so let's look at some of the functionality of this mower. Again, if you go forward and it's off, it's still spinning around and still making noise with these balls that bounce every time you go through it. Now, this will not do anything unless you turn it on. So let's switch from search mode to music mode, on, off, volume. So let's go with the loudest volume. And we are on the learning mode. So if we pull this, sounds like a mower. Now let's press each button. So it's gonna read the colors and the items.
Yellow yard bin. Wear gloves when gardening. A watering can lets us use recycled rainwater.
So it teaches you all about gardening and water and things of that nature.
Yellow yard bin. Yellow yard bin. A yard bin holds grass clippings, sticks, and weeds. We can use the grass clippings from the yard bin to make compost. Yellow.
And of course, every one of these has about 5 saying each, starting
Shovel.
from shovel, color,
Red shovel.
and it just continues creating phrases.
We can use a shovel to dig.
All right, so that's your learning mode. Now, if we switch to music mode,
Press the safety button to hear songs about safety.
so this is your safety button.
When it comes to mowing, be safe and pick up sticks. Watch where. Did you ever see a mower? Did you ever? A shovel is good for digging holes, making room for plants and flowers of different colors. Did you ever see a mower?
Let's try this one.
The sky is blue and the sun is bright. Perfect time to mow the lawn. The grass is long and ready for a trim. Let's mow until we're done. A hand rake is good for breaking up the soil. It can help make
So
soil
again, it
good.
teaches you tons of things about gardening, shovels, and dare I say, a little bit of construction as well. Now, along with the VTech lawnmower, you may want to consider getting this cool dinosaur. It's an educational toy by VTech. It comes with music, quizzes, and lots of ideas. It is a learning toy for your kid. So if you're into renos like Daddy, then definitely something to consider. And that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one.